Here I have Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to set up this device. So firstly you have to tap on this arrow key, then select your preferred language, so let's select English. Tap on the arrow, then select your region. Could be Austria, okay. Tap on arrow once again. Then you have to agree with user agreement, privacy policy and like stuff. Then you can insert SIM card, but if you don't have your SIM card on you can just skip this step and like do this anytime later. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but if you don't have any opened Wi-Fi network around you can just skip this step for now and do this later. Then you have Google services. I suggest you to disable all these features and tap accept. You have no other choice. Then you can set up password, like you can set up fingerprint, face unlock, or just only screen lock with PIN code, pattern or password, but you can also skip this step and do this later in settings, or just don't do this at all. Then you have these additional settings, so I suggest you to disable them all, especially personalized ads, and tap next. Then you can select default launcher. You have classic or app drawer. I suggest you to use app drawer because it like helps you to keep your home screen more tidy, because you won't have all these apps on your home screen, but you will have like special drawer for them all. I don't know, I prefer this one. In the following step, setup is complete. So yeah, and that's how it's done. So thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.